Again, when you have this inverse hyperbolic function, you are relying on the rule for the inverse hyperbolic function. So we're going to plug into that, and you'll have your u prime. Basically, things just get reversed. So instead of subtracting, you're now adding. So you have u squared plus 1. You switch the order of that. So in this case, our u is going to be equal to this inner function, which is hyperbolic cosine of x. And then u prime is going to go to hyperbolic sine of x. Keep in mind that when you're talking about these hyperbolic functions, sine, cosine, tangent, all stay positive when you take their derivatives. So it now just becomes a matter of plugging the u and the u prime into that formula. So you'll have y prime equals u prime is hyperbolic sine over, and then square root of u hyperbolic cosine, quantity squared, plus 1. Now, keep in mind, you can write it this way, but because it's a trig power, a lot of times you'll see people write it in a little simpler format where they remove the parentheses, and if they do that, the square is going to go in between the h and the x, so right after or right before the argument of the trig function, and then plus 1. So either of these are fine for your derivative simplification.